Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch the front cover to remove it. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Flip the assembly over and remove the 2 screws securing the hard drive. Slide the hard drive out of the assembly. To reinstall the hard drive, slide it back into the assembly and install the 2 screws to secure it. Flip the assembly over and tighten the 2 screws. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the front bezel and secure the side cover by tightening the 2 screws. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.